5 things I didn't know exist.
Hello! Mabuhay mga kabines! So here again on our second video. Nagbibilang. Pero yeah, this is hopefully sana ma-upload sa National Pet Day, which I don't know what na meron pala. Pero just to add on the information we shared last video, this is not only what we want na i-share lang siya to the world, maybe to the Philippines, but also to learn coming from the others. Kasi maybe we have this community then with bunnies, but of course, sobrang small niya. We didn't know exists, or we had no, common friends with that. And that's the topic of the video. How more likely, when I started with bunnies, I'm the norm, one of the norms. And these are some of the things na hindi ko alam na existing pala. Kasi syempre, if you go in depth with rabbit care, you'll discover more things.
Number 5, adopting bunnies.
So yeah, number 5 is the possibility to adopt bunnies. So before, I just know bunnies na mabibili lang siya anywhere, pet stores, streets. So adopting bunnies is very existing pala. So as you can see dun sa mga pictures, more likely galing lang siya sa mga breeders, and then ibebenta anywhere, accessories sa streets. So this is the sad part of bunnies, lalo na yung conception, kasi ito lang yung alam most of the Philippines or Filipinos. But hopefully, mas ma-discover natin yung possibility of adopting, and I will be sharing videos, mas extended videos regarding that, with regards to adopting instead of buying, para din mas safe yung mga mapapuhan yung bunnies when it comes, if you would like to dive in this kind of bunny care. So I think we'll just share some additional 4 pa on the next video. So support lang, and yeah, you will soon meet all of the bunnies.